Hey, welcome to your breakdown of your L8.5 Figurative Language and Poetry. This is just the introduction to our new unit. So this unit is going to last us almost 3 weeks because after we get done with this week and a half of figurative language, we're really going to start delving more into poetry and just having fun reading poems. So I'm really excited about that. Our essential question, how do readers use clues from the text to determine meaning? That's all that poetry really is just you have to take the context that's in the poem and run with it and figure out what is this poem trying to tell me and how do you know it? And so you have to use the clues in the text to do that. And then, of course, as we go through, you'll learn about the different types of figurative language, what they do, and then you'll also look into how to we'll look at re-look at tone and theme so that you can really gather up all that meaning with everything you have. So for this, we're going to look at nuance, figurative language, and then of course we're going to be able to interpret figures of speech within the text. So you're going to be able to make distinctions between words based on nuance, which of course comes down to when we did shades of meaning with tone. It's very similar. You're going to be able to identify various figures of speech. That's probably going to be the heftiest part of our lesson, is going through all that figurative language and practicing and looking at it and learning it. And then, of course, you'll be able to describe, summarize, and explain figure of speech using context, which you've actually already done in our Harlem Renaissance stuff at the very beginning of the year. So that figurative language analysis chart, it's going to come back. And a lot of you did really good at that, and if you didn't, it'd be a great time to go back and practice. So in order to accomplish this, you are going to be using Figurative Language and Poetry Choice Board, which you will get a walkthrough video about that as well here on that assignment page. The choice board will contain your interactive notes, a thing link, your activities to complete all of the learning targets. There will be some Nearpod games for review. There'll be various poems and TPcast practice. And then finally, as always, there will be embedded videos of instructions and examples, as well as us completing those in Zoom class. So if you come to Zoom, you're already on a leg up because you guys know that most of the stuff I do in the videos, I also do in class. Same idea. If you are not coming to class, I suggest you start, because then you get it twice. You can watch the videos if you need help later, but you also get to do it in class, which is always very, very helpful.